morning students. Now we will study about the lesson number 3, chemical reactions and equations. The content of this lesson are: first one, chemical reactions; second, rules of writing chemical reactions; third one, balancing of chemical equations; fourth one, types of chemical reactions. What are the types of molecules of elements and compounds? The molecule of elements made up of one or more atoms, and all atoms are exactly same, whereas molecules of a compounds are also made up of different atoms. What is meant by valency of the elements? Valency is nothing but the combining capacity of the element. Valency is the combining capacity of the element. For example, suppose hydrogen is combined with any one of the elements. For example, Cl. So the valency of hydrogen is 1. So valency of hydrogen is 1. Valency can also say that the number of bonds formed by the elements. Here hydrogen forms single bond with the chlorine, so valency of hydrogen is 1. Third question, what is the requirement for writing molecular formula of different compounds? While writing the molecular formula, we needed two things. First one is the symbol of the elements, symbol of the radical means, and second one is the valency of that radical. Means we need two things. First one, symbol of a radical, and second one is its valency. Now next question is given here. How are the molecular formula of the compounds written? While writing the molecular formula, again we need these two things, that is symbol of a radical and its valency. With this again 2 points also we required, that is to cross multiply the valency of the radical, to cross multiply the valency of the radical which is given write subscript of molecular formula. And next point is write subscript in molecular formula. Now for writing the chemical formula, again suppose we will take one example, CH4. Here this is name of this compound is methane. It is made up of two elements, that is first one is carbon and second one is hydrogen. So we will write, for example, this is carbon and second example radical is hydrogen. The valency of carbon is 4 and the valency of hydrogen is 1. Now to cross multiply the valency of that radical. So after C, the subscript of hydrogen means valency of hydrogen we will write as a subscript, means this is C1 and H4. So traditionally we will not indicate the 1. So what is the name of formula of this compound is CH4 and the chemical name of this compound is methane. Next is chemical reactions. Some scientists on 18th and 19th century, they performed some fundamental experiments on chemical reactions, and during their experiment they observed that, they proved that in a chemical reactions the compositions of the matter are changes, and that changes becomes a permanent change. Means during chemical reactions, composition of the matter are changes. Composition, and that change remains permanent. Where during physical change, state of matter changes. And that change becomes a temporary change. Now, next one is identify the physical and chemical changes in the following phenomena. Some phenomena are given here in the following blocks, and physical and chemical changes, you have to identify that phenomena or belongs to which category. Now, first one is transformation of ice into the water. So, what is the change is carried out during this transformation, physical or chemical? Only here, during that change, state of a substance or state of a matter is changes. So, it will comes in the category of physical change. Next one, cooking of food. While cooking of a food, some chemical changes is carried out inside the pan. So, this example are involved in chemical changes. Next one is ripening of food. Once food is ripe, it will not come in the back portion. So, this will be the example of chemical change. So, during ripening, some chemical changes is carried out. Next one is milk turn into the curd. Once we will get the turn, it will not reverse back and we cannot get the milk, and hence inside the curd some chemical changes are carried out. So it is a chemical change. Evaporation of water. During evaporation of water, only the state of a substance, that is from liquid to gaseous state, are changed. So state of a matter are changes. So it is the example of physical change. Next one is digestion of food in the stomach. So during the digestion, lot of chemical changes are carried out inside our stomach. So this will be the example of chemical change. Reduction of naphtha balls exposed to air. If we will keep some naphthalene ball in our cupboard, and after some days, if you will observe, so size of the naphthalene ball will reduce. Why it has happened? Because it will, whatever it is, originally it is a sublimate. So here solid is directly goes into the vaporized state without passing through the liquid state, and this will be the example of physical change. Now, staining of Shahabadi and Kadapa tile by lemon juice. Staining is carried out. During staining, some chemical changes are carried out on that Shahabadi or Kadapa tile, and hence it is the example of chemical change. Breaking of glass object on falling from a height. If you fall some glass object on a particular height, so it will break into the some pieces, and but during that breaking, composition of the matter will not change. Again, whatever the substance you will break, it will again a glass particles only. So no new compounds are formed. So this will be the example of physical change. Now students, we will see some activities and their observation based on physical and chemical changes. First activity is that take some limestone in an evaporating dish and heat it. The chemical formula of limestone is calcium carbonate. If we apply the heat to the some quantity of calcium carbonate, it decomposes into two components, that is calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Now during this activity we will see about their observations. Color change. Is there any color color change? No, there is no any color change during this activity. So we will write cross. Gas release. Is there any gas released? Yes, carbon dioxide is a one type form of gas. So gas is released during that activity. Temperature change. There is no any change in temperature. And nature of changes. So new components are formed. So this is the chemical change. Now we will see about the second activity. That is zinc is added to the copper sulfate. Now copper sulfate is blue in color. If we will add zinc dust in that blue solution, now reactivity of zinc is more than that of copper. So zinc displaces copper and combined with sulfate ion. So there will be a formation of zinc sulfide plus copper. So during that change, is there any change in color? No, there is no any change in color. Gas released, there is no any gases released. Temperature increase changes. Yes, during that change, some temperature of the beaker is increased. So temperature increased. And this is the example of chemical change. Now we will see about the third activity, that is potassium chromate added to the barium sulfate. This is the formula of barium sulfate. Now during that reaction, barium combined with chromate ions and formation of barium chromate. And what is left? Potassium combined with sulfate ions and form potassium sulfate. So we'll see about their observation. Now color changes during that reaction. Barium sulfate is white in color, but barium chromate is yellowish in color. So color will be the yellow here. Is there gas released during that change? No, there is no any gas released. Now temperature, there is no any change in temperature. And this is the example of again chemical change. Now next activity is that fourth one, that is sodium carbonate. This is the formula of sodium carbonate combined with calcium chloride. When sodium carbonate combined with calcium chloride, then this twice Na combined with twice Cl. So there is a formation of two molecules of sodium chloride and calcium carbonate. So during that reaction, there is no any change in color. No gas is released. And temperature is decreased during that reaction. So during this activity, temperature is decreased. And this activity comes in the category of chemical change. Of phthalic anhydride. If we apply the heat of phthalic anhydride, then there is a formation of carbon dioxide plus water. Now we'll see about the number of atoms of carbon and hydrogen and oxygen which is present in left hand side and right hand side. Here carbon, 8 to the 16 carbon atoms are there. Here also 16 carbon. So number of carbon is already balanced. Now we'll see about the hydrogen. 4 to the 8. Here also 4 to the 8 hydrogen are there. So this is also balanced. Now we'll see about the oxygen. 3 to the 6 oxygen atoms are there. And 15 to the 30 oxygen atoms. So there are total 36 oxygen atoms are there. Now we'll see about the right hand side also. 16 to the 32 oxygen atoms are there and 4 for this. So this is also 36. So oxygen atom is also balanced in left hand side and right hand side. So during this there is no any change in color. There is Gas released, yes, carbon dioxide is one form of gas. There is no change in temperature, and this is the example of physical change. Whatever the topic I taught, you understand this topic correctly, and really it will get some benefit to you in your future. So I request, please subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.